Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text spacing. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS white space. The CSS white space property specifies how white space inside an element is handled. This example demonstrates how to disable text wrapping inside an element. So right now we are going to be using this white space property. Back to our document, this is what we're having. Previously, we have discussed about a lot of things in text spacing. We can check our CSS text spacing playlist to be able to follow along easily. And right now, we are going to be using our white space property right here now inside our h1 tag. We use white space property and we will give it no wrap, no wrap, no wrap. When we reload our document, can you see no effect yet? But what is the benefit of using this? The benefit is that, let's say for instance, now this is our h1 tag. Inside this our h1 tag, we are having this how are you doing, and we are giving it different values. So we can just paste this, paste this, paste this, paste this like 5 times, just to have like 5 pages of this. But when we save and reload our document, can you see all this is going to be on a straight line? That is the benefit of using the white space of no wrap. If we don't have the white space of no wrap there, the space is going to be the 5 paragraph can be 2 or 3, so it's going to wrap automatically. Can you see now? This is 1, this is 2, 3, jump to another line, automatically jump to another line. It's going to be jump to another line when it's full, when our h1 tag, our box, the box inside it is full. So that is the main benefit of using the no wrap. But that is the benefit of using the property. Now let's say when we now have the no wrap there, now when we reload our document, everything is going to be on a straight line, no matter what you do. Even if you specify this in your body element, let's say your body element is here. Now you mistakenly specify this kind of property inside your body element like this, everything you write is going to be on a straight line, no matter what. They will not automatically wrap. When I save my document now, you are going to see what will happen. Can you see? When I reload, the same thing occurs. Can you see? So definitely you should know that if you copy this kind of thing now, you paste it, no matter how many amount of it you are having in your document, if you paste it like this, it's still going to be on a straight line. Can you see? It's still going to be on a straight line. Can you see? So but when you remove that no wrap there out of it, definitely your document is going to automatically wrap together, and everything is going to look nice. You are going to see everything nicely. Can you see? Now when I reload, when I remove it, can you see everything is looking nice now? So what we have covered so far is that we have covered the white space property with value of no wrap, and we have discussed about the letter spacing, line height property, text indent property, white space property, word spacing property. Please, I want you guys to stay focused on this because this is so nice and this is so advanced. We are getting to advanced gently. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.